Is a commerce degree useless? A commerce degree is one of the most popular choices after high school. But with industries changing rapidly, is it still a smart move or is it losing its relevance? Let's find out. In this video, we'll look at why a plain commerce degree isn't enough today, what's causing graduates to struggle in the job market, and how you can actually make your degree work for you. Number 1. The current reality. A BCom degree alone isn't a guarantee of success anymore. In India, the average starting salary for commerce graduates is around 3 to 4 LPA. Why so low? Because the market is crowded. Thousands graduate every year with the same degree. But employers aren't rejecting commerce grads because of the degree itself. They're rejecting them because most lack practical skills beyond theory. Number 2. What employers actually want. Today's recruiters are looking for candidates who can analyze data, use tools like Excel, Tally, or Power BI, understand global accounting standards, adapt to tech-driven finance roles. This gap between college learning and industry demand is why commerce graduates are often overlooked. Number 3 is real-world examples. Let's look at the success stories. Some of the world's most influential business leaders started with accounting and finance backgrounds. And they didn't just stop there. They built empires. Vaibhav Taneja, the chief financial officer at Tesla, is a certified public accountant, CPA. In 2024 alone, he earned a record-breaking $139 million, a number that proves how powerful the CPA qualification can be at the global level. Phil Knight, the co-founder of Nike, is also a CPA. He turned a college MBA project into one of the world's biggest and most iconic sports brand. His story proves that a strong foundation in finance and accounting can lead to unimaginable success, even in business and entrepreneurship. And let's not forget Tony Fernandez, the founder of AirAsia. He is ACCA qualified and revolutionized aviation by making air travel affordable across Asia. His journey shows how global certifications like ACCA can open doors to leadership in high-impact industries. These aren't just career paths. They are proof that CMA, CPA, and ACCA can turn ambition into global success. And if they could do it, so can you. You don't need to be exceptional, just have the right skills and direction. So how do you get there? By adding real value to your degree, and I'll explain exactly how. Number 4, how to add value to your degree. The good news, your degree is still a solid foundation and you need to build on it. Add professional certifications, globally recognized courses like ACCA, CMA, CPA, and EA can triple your earning potential and open international doors. Learn industry tools. Get comfortable with Excel, SAP, QuickBooks, or even the basics of data analytics. Gain real-world experience. Internships and live projects make you stand out from other freshers. And this is where North Star Academy comes in. It brings all these global certifications together under one roof. It's designed to bridge the gap between your degree and what the industry actually demands, helping you become not just job-ready, but globally competitive. A commerce degree isn't useless, it's just incomplete without the right skills. If you want better jobs, global careers, and real growth, build your edge now.